Okay, next. Okay, so we have done return earnings. Okay, we have done return earnings. Okay. So if we have subsidiary, there is another item that you need not miss, which is non-controlling interest. Non-controlling interest. Okay, non-controlling interest. Okay, so this will be, I think we're working 6. So working 6. Okay, so in your exam, you actually your statement of financial position is in one paper, and then for the other workings you use another paper. So there are actually 2 paper in front of you, so you can do it simultaneously. Okay. Okay, so for now you need to calculate the non-controlling interest. We need to do some working on the non-controlling interest. So kita buat kat sini lah. Okay, so working 6, non-controlling interest. Okay, non-controlling interest ni senang saja. You ambil at acquisition, NCI acquisition, ambil kat mana tu? Okay. So when you calculate goodwill, the non-controlling interest at acquisition, isn't it? Goodwill of subsidiary. So NCI at acquisition only for subsidiary, because for associate company you don't have NCI. Okay, so in this case, NCI at acquisition. Tengok ambil daripada goodwill. Your goodwill calculation. Your goodwill calculation, I think it's up here, somewhere up here. Yeah. 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 Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so where is the calculation of goodwill? Working 1, Working 1. Hey, where is working 1? Here. Okay, so working 1 is here. 94. Dah calculate dah, kan? 94. So, take that one and put it under total of non-controlling interest. Non-controlling interest. So, it is 94. It is 90. Tadi kan 94. Is 94. Okay. Okay. So that is 94. at acquisition, and then because of the profit changes, there will be changes in there will also be changes in NCI. So you take here ni yang subsidiary tu profit subsidiary to be allocated times this one times how much NCI own. Okay, so it is actually so we call it share of post acquisition profit or return earning. Okay, so in this case you just take this figure because this is what the profit that will be distributed that will be shared. Okay, so 50 times, so non-controlling interest own 20%. Okay, 50 times 20%, which is 10. Okay, and another thing is so if you look at the accounts, I think we will move accounts here. Sorry. Okay, so okay, so this is actually another calculation. Okay, so if you look at the column of S, the equity of S, if you look at the equity of S, 550 we have already distributed between goodwill and post acquisition. So it has been it has been eliminated. Then however, the 10% preference share is we do not know how much is owned. However, since the question don't say anything, we assume that all these 50 is owned by non-controlling interest. Okay, so preference share, because the question doesn't say how much H owned in the preference share in the 10% preference share of S. So we assume that all the 50 is actually owned by non-controlling interest. Okay, so none is owned by H. So we take all the 50. So 94 plus 10 plus 50. So we will have 154. 154. Okay, so 154 will be included in accounts as a non-controlling interest here. 154. Okay, so tengok ada item lain ke tak. Okay, we move this one back up. Okay, so it seems that okay, so this one we already done it. Okay, 50%. Okay, return earning. Okay, so non-controlling interest, yes. Now trade and other payable. So trade and other payable, so we just add. There is no information in relation to trade and other payable. Trade and other payables. So we just add between parent, which is 97, plus subsidiary, which is 45. Okay, so 97 plus 45 will be 142. Oh, so I think we need to add this one first before. Okay, 142. Yang ni kita campur dulu. 10.3. So now we have the total of 1,851.23. 3. So, okay. Okay?